Alright, greetings y'all from WaKeeney, Kansas, and here it is right here, classic auto wash. Uh-oh, are they working on it? Did they update this system? There's a work truck here. Oh no, the system's still there. I'm curious if it's working. No, I don't think that's a car wash work truck, but oh boy. The bay floor is actually really disgusting. Okay, luckily it's not too expensive. Yeah, this looks sus. But that's okay. I'll be doing a car tour later today, but man, this looks very sus. It's a classic, but it has the newer hydro spray wash arm. Okay, let me get that out of the way. Yeah. It looks a little sus. We're gonna do it anyway though. So here are your options. Old Hamilton Pay Station. Yep. That treadle's gonna be interesting. You go up and like fall into a hole. Okay. Pretty easy. I covered in the wrong slot. And okay, 46 degrees, so it's a little bit warmer than when I left this morning. Oh boy, this is probably not going to be a good idea. It feels like you're really low in this bay. This bay is a little goofy. And okay, there's the treadle, and there's the hole. I did see dryers on the other side, so it does have dryers, thankfully. Yeah, it does say classic on the side there. Must be on a high pressure soap stage. Yeah, well, it says wash. So it seems to work good enough. Now it says rinse. Curious what dryers are outside here. I saw some while pulling in here, but I couldn't reckon what kind they were. Like the other location in Kansas I filmed last summer that didn't have dryers. It was more expensive. Well, it seemed okay, and I'm curious, is this one gonna leave spots on my car too? There's spot 3. Oh, and there goes the door. What? Dryers? I better. We'll see. Gotta be careful to a stoplight, right? So loud. That's a loud dryer. Oh, there's a Tempest dryers. Okay, so sign up there. They look like, they almost look like Superior in a way. This blower isn't working too great. See the impeller spinning in there. Seemed okay. We'll see if this water dries off or not on the interstate. I don't see a dryer timer out here. Oh well, yeah, I'll update y'all in the description. Can I go out that way? Or I should go out this way instead. And there's like a one manual bay. Yeah. Dryer Pros. Okay. Tempest dryers. Okay, that's what they are. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all in Colorado for the next wash.